Morning everyone, welcome to Early Birds YouTube. I've got young Bradders. Everyone knows who Bradders is, does our videos. He's also a great tradesman, does a lot of chippy work with our manager, coming on really strong. We're at a new project somewhere beautiful in Kent called Edgington, beautiful town, and we're doing a garage with a room on top, so it's like an annex. It's a two-port garage with a room and a bathroom upstairs, and I'm going to show you how we're doing this. So if Brad could follow me. So we've just had our concrete turn up. We've got young Dan here. Good morning, Dan. He's been on this job. We've all had our COVID test. He's been on this job from the start. We've got our foreman Marcus here, who's been on the job from the start. They've had to dig all this out. It's all under building control. We have to put 2 layers of mesh. It's the top mesh, the thickest gauge. It has to have view bars, it has to be tied together. And me and Brad are going to show you around. So this is just the groundwork. Morning, Marcus. So they've had 1 layer already. Brad, if you can show them. So we don't have to put this screen in, but we like to, just in case the customer wants to do anything in the future, because this is basically a garage slab. So we've got 2 layers of mesh. We've got our first layer of concrete. The concrete people that we use have turned up on time, been really efficient, been really, really good. So if we show here, Dan, can you show us the poker? Show us what you've been doing. So we've got ourselves a little tamp here, 6-metre tamp. They level it, they tamp it all the way through, get it nice and level. Show them this, right? As you can see, they've tamped it through. And this is called a poker. What it does, it vibrates all the concrete into place, especially all the way around the edge. So when we strike the shutter in, you don't get no air gaps. Very, very important. What it means is everything's compressed, nice and tight, nice and solid, no air gaps. So what Dan's been doing. How are you doing, Dan? Going well? Lovely. So Dan's been with us. How long have you been with us, Dan? 8 months. Great addition to the team. Marcus, how long you been with us? Ed, forever? Forever. Been with us forever. We love him dearly. What do you do with the rake, Marcus? What's this? What's this? What?
And even have a little
Marcus, he does a famous flick in the air, everyone. Give us a flick. Hey! Look, we have great camaraderie here. Everyone gets on really well. We all work hard. Marcus has got this all done. As you can see, the red lines here. We've got to put drainage in. We've got our level set out over here, so you can spot it. And then if you just walk with me, Brad, please, bud. Our drainage runs come here. Each point we have an inspection chamber. We've got a power float here, because we're going to power float it as soon as the concrete goes in. Brilliant. Then as you come down here, you've got another chamber here that runs over and picks up here. And the reason why we're doing all this is because we're putting a new biodisc system in. More efficient, much better, really good. And I'll show you how we do it. We've got a great client here, by the way. So Brad's just told me we've done 4 minutes. Thanks, mate. Look at this, Brad.
Oh, look at that view.
Look at that. Garden of England.
Yes, mate, yeah.
So as you come down here, Marcus wants another chamber here, because we're going to be doing an extension in the next year and a half. So we want to put all the provisions in, so we're set up for the next stage of works. So I have to be very careful. We're going to shutter this up, and as you can see, we are digging a great big hole for our biodisc. It's actually 3.2 metres
3.2 metres.
deep.
Yep.
What the biodisc is. So it's really deep. So we've had to get a bigger digger in. They'll clean all the edges. Then they'll fill this with concrete at stages, and then you fill it with water. So as you fill with water, you can fill it with concrete. Because it's fiberglass, what we don't want to do is put concrete in and crush the sides, because it's fiberglass. The other thing as well is, if you do not concrete in, people used to just not put shingle around it. As soon as you get a water table, it just bobs out the ground. Believe it or not, we've seen them come out the ground from other companies. Probably not their fault, probably not got the right instruction. I'm not putting them down, but we have seen them. Building control are very on that, so we have to encase it in concrete. So guys, look, that's just a quick little 5 minutes of what we're doing. Stay in tune to this video. There'll be another step where they're going to be power floating it and everything. Stay tuned. Any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Any comments, please ask. Ring the bell, share, like, stay tuned. And just to let everyone know, together we build
Dreams.
Together we build dreams. Done. So what's the time? It's 5:30 and we're just getting the power float on a Friday. And look at Marcus. Just ready. So we'll have probably a good hour and a half on this, Mark. An hour and a half. Look at that. Good man. Nice. Got it sus. Just another day at the office, isn't it, Dan?
Yeah.
Young Dan, he's had a go. He loves it. Does he want to have a go? What's he say?
A little bit of water.
A little bit of water. Brilliant.